This error code is one of the most common Windows 10 update errors. If you're also looking for a solution to fix this error, pursue these troubleshooting steps that we have for you in this video. Now, surprisingly, some users fix this issue by selecting Pause Update for 7 days. However, you don't need to wait for 7 days. Instead, wait for a few minutes and check for updates again. Next, try to run the Update Troubleshooter. Do it by searching Update and Security in the settings. Click Troubleshoot. Go to Additional Troubleshooters. Click Windows Update, and then run the troubleshooter. Check if you can now install the newest updates. You can also run the System File Checker. To do that, launch the command prompt with admin rights. Run the following command, and then hit Enter. You should also run the following 2 commands as well. You might also need to close background applications. To do that, run the Task Manager, click Processes tab, click the process you want to close, then select End Task. And for your last resort, make sure that the Windows Update service is running on your machine. Just search for Services, locate Windows Update Service, right-click on it, then select Start. Now if the service is already running, disable it and wait for 2 minutes, then re-enable it and check for updates again. And that's what you can do in fixing this error code in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.